Hi, today we are going to review, or rather demonstrate, not review, the performance of Zunsolar 165 watt panels and the 180 watt mono panels when connected in series. It's mildly sunny. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the 165 watt polycrystalline and 2 of the 180 watt monos, all in series. It goes this way, that way. It is connected via 10 square aluminum cable. Okay, so for those of you who may scream aluminum is bad than copper, this is a 10 square aluminum service cable that also carries the 220 and the 240 voltage from my electricity poles. This carries water to the well around 100 meters away. The ideal requirement for this is a 1.5 square copper for a voltage of 150 volts and plus, but we have oversized the voltage requirement to 6 square just in case if the MPPT drops the voltage down to 80s or 90s. We don't want the wattage delivery at the charger to drop. So instead of a 1.5 square copper, we have a 6 square copper as a 10 square aluminum cable. Aluminium is only 60% capable of copper. Now let's look down. The cable comes under my roof line. Comes here, then goes in here, this is my AC breaker box, goes through here and goes into this Ashapower MPPT. This is the Neon 60. It can handle 60 amperes. This is my 3.5 or 4 kVA AC inverter connected to a 48 volt battery system. Let's look at the performance now. The Ashapower is capable of delivering load dynamically. So if it requires a lesser wattage, it will. So let's turn on my pressure pump. The solar voltage has dropped to 118.9. It is 55.7. The battery voltage at the positive and negative. You'll shortly see the amperage. So it's pumping in 16.5 amps right now. If we give it more load, this will go to around 21 amperes. Let me try that. So we're now again looking at additional load. The total load on the system is greater than about 1.5 kV. It's mildly sunny outside. It's generating 18.5 amperes at a battery voltage of 52.4. The voltage is 126 around 125 volts from the panels, which is being dropped to 52.3. So Zunsolar is an excellent panel.